Hello, today I'm going to show you on how to create and process an order in your system. Please note that create orders functionality is available for only those users who have activated their retail pack from us. So to proceed with it, you need to first tap on orders. To create an order, you need to tap on create order tab. If you have multiple outlets, select the outlet from which you are processing the order. Now search a product by its name or barcode. Enter a product name and select the product. Now under edit pricing details, you can edit the quantity, MRP, the rate, as well as tax or discounts. Now tap on continue. You can add more products if you like. If not, tap on continue. Now tap on add customer. Enter the customer's name and select the customer. Edit the customer details if you like and tap on continue. Select the customer's address and tap on continue. You can see that the customer details have been applied. Now if you want to enable this order as a home delivery, you need to enable the home delivery slider as on. If you want to add a GSTN number, you need to enable the e-commerce invoice slider as on and enter the e-commerce number. You can see below are the order pricing details. Now tap on continue. Since you have enabled the order as home delivery, select the date for the order. Select the time for the delivery. Enter some delivery instructions for your delivery boy. Finally, tap on confirm. Now tap on continue. Now if the customer has already paid you, for example in cash, you can select the cash option. If the customer wants to pay for the goods on receiving it on delivery, then you can select the payment on delivery option. So let's assume that the customer has already paid you by cash. So select cash option. The value gets prefilled. Finally, you need to tap on complete payment. You have successfully processed the order. Now if you want to intimate the customer regarding that order via SMS or email, you need to tap on this option. You can send the intimation on the respective mobile number or email ID. Tap on send to successfully intimate for that order to that particular customer. If you want to add some serial number for easier handling of goods, you need to tap on this option and enter the serial number for that product. If you want to add a new order for a new customer, you can select this option. So this is how you create and process order in your system. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can comment below or contact our customer support team. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further updates.